Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm gonna show you how we can remove alerts in Webull app. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on Menu and click on My Alerts. So here are your alerts. If you want to remove them, you have to click on this and click on Delete and click on Yes. Now your alerts are removed. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.